Let me show you how to make homemade cough drops using Ayurvedic ingredients. Whenever someone in your home feels that dry, scratchy throat, this is what you should give them. We just need 4 simple things: ginger, honey, lemon, and turmeric, with a tiny pinch of black pepper to activate the turmeric benefits. Cook it all together until it gets thick and bubbly, then pour into molds. If you don't have molds, use cornstarch and the back of a spoon to shape them. Once they cool down, you'll have soothing cough drops you can store anytime. You can even make little lollipops. These are what I call daily wellness drops. Write the word HEM and get my guide, Ayurvedic Cough Drop Remedies.